Good morning, guys. Thursday morning here. We're starting off strong. We got snow falling down. We got Angie on top of the roller. We got me driving the paver. We're lighting it up this morning. We gotta lay this stuff out. We just laid out 18 ton of vine pebbles. Just go over top of this big ballast stone. We're laying it in there. We're laying this stuff in here around 3 inches thick. We're rolling it and compacting it. And then we got Miguel coming back with another load of this stuff. After we get done doing that, I'm sending for blacktop. We're gonna bring back some loads of blacktop and get done doing this. Calling for around 100 ton of it. Let's go. We're lighting it up right now. We got Miguel dumping some loads back. Juan's just supervising. I'm driving the machine. Charlie's on that side, controlling the depth. Angie's on the roller. Well, let's go. It's cold outside. Woo! All right, guys, blacktop's here, baby. Let's go. It's freezing out. We're gonna lay this out, try to get out of this cold. Woo! We're lighting it up right now, guys. We're smoking it in there, baking it in there, straight as an arrow. Everything's going smoothly. Everyone's working very hard, so everything's going good. We might need one more load of asphalt. We made it look really good. Let's keep going. We just finished the main lane out and it looks awesome. We made it straight as an arrow, smooth as an arrow. We did everything you wanted to do. Best loopers, best shovelers. Kevin, outstanding work today. He won the most intense labor award. Goes to Kevin. We just laid it out. What a job. It's freezing out, 32 degrees out. It was snowing on us, raining, hailing. It was going crazy. Weather's crazy. Woo! We just laid it out and look at that. It looks perfect. Straight as an edge, straight as an arrow, straight as smooth as an arrow, whatever you want to say, it is. It looks really good. Team worked out here, took our time, flew through this. Record breaking time. We laid out 110 ton into this job. It looks really good. And I appreciate you guys for watching. Check out our merchandise. Stay tuned for some other videos coming up. Let's go. It is a Monday morning, baby! I believe it's around 11:30. Blacktop's here. We're gonna tear it up. We got 18 ton of asphalt back. We're gonna lay this out and make it look seamless and perfect like always. We came here, we added some stone around the edges, made it wider for the parking spots, made the job look perfect. That's what we wanted. We came here, dug the grass up, dug the dirt up, we milled the driveway, so we put the millage on top and the stone where we widen it. We dug it out, put stone in it, and now we're gonna put asphalt on top of it. We're laying it in there around 2.5 inches thick, making sure the water flows, making everything look good. We just laid the 2 strips out. Now we got one more strip to lay out. It's another, I'm gonna say about 12 ton of asphalt left to lay it out, and we got it on the truck. Hopefully it finishes it out. Right now everything's going smooth and perfect. We've rolled and compacted it, and now we're gonna lay this last strip out, roll and compact it. Let's go. Just laid out the 18 ton. We thought the 18 ton would have completed this job. Well, we miscalculated and it never completed the job. No big deal. The plant's right down the street. So we're going to send for another 5 ton of asphalt, complete the job and make it look immaculate. Let's go. Let's go. Asphalt Prodigy just knocked out another one. Snapped it, laid it. I made it look good for the customer. Everybody's happy. The water's flowing off the property, off the driveway. It looks great. If the asphalt plant's running, we're putting down the blacktop it's selling. We make the driveway look beautiful, and we do it beautiful for our customers. Yeah, we may talk funny, but the driveways look great. Like, share, and subscribe, and more epic videos. Let's go.